shall discuss problem C, differential sorting. Let's see out the problem. You are given an array A of n elements. You can perform the following operation no more than n times. Select three indices x, y, and z, x less than y and y less than z, and replace ax with ay minus az. After the operation, ax needs to be less than 10 to the power 18. Your goal is to make the resulting array non-decreasing. If there are multiple solutions, you can output any. If it is impossible to achieve, you should report it as well. Okay, so now let's have a look at the example. The first example is the given array. So what we do is we choose x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. Since here we see that the array is not sorted, so we make 5 equal to minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6. So after the first operation, the array looks like this, and after that at this point the array is not sorted. So what we do, we choose x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, z equal to 5, and we replace 2 with minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. Let's move to the solution part. The first thing that we must keep in mind is that the values of x and y and z should be in the increasing order. अगर आप x को यहाँ से choose करते हो तो y और z को आप इधर से ही choose करोगे, आप इधर से choose नहीं कर सकते. And similarly for y. So the given problem can be solved by subdividing the problem into 3 cases. Case 1 is when this part of the array is not sorted, that is an minus 1 is greater than an. So the answer in this case would be minus 1, because here we have no way. आप किसी भी तरह इस पार्ट को सॉर्ट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आपके पास z कोई नहीं है. आप कोई भी z चूज करके आप इनको मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकते. तो आंसर यहाँ पे माइनस 1 होगा. और इसको चेक करने के बाद आप चेक करोगे कि अगर an जो है ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 है एंड an minus 1 is greater than an, ये कंडीशन, तो ये सेकेंड केस हो गया. तो इस केस में हमेशा आंसर आएगा. यू कैन ऑलवेज सॉर्ट इन दिस केस. आप अगर ए ith इंडेक्स पे हो तो आप ai को रिप्लेस कर दोगे an minus 1 minus an से. इस केस में since an is greater than equal to 0, ai would be greater than equal to an minus 1. ai would be less than equal to an minus 1. So here ai is less than equal to an minus 1 and an minus 1 is less than equal to an. So in this case the array would be sorted. In the third case, case 3 is when an is less than 0. So when an is less than 0, the answer would be minus 1. So let me give the proof for it. If an is less than 0, let's say that let's assume that the array final array gets sorted. So in the final configuration, all the uh, elements of the array would be less than an, uh, and hence all the elements would be negative. So let's say that this is the final configuration, final operation that we did. X, y, and z. That is, we manipulated ax from ax to ay minus az. Here, the given constraint x less than y less than z follows, and so ay must be greater than, sorry, less than equal to az. So here in this case, this value ay minus az, this must be uh, greater than equal to 0. This value must be greater than equal to 0, and this is a contradiction to the fact that all the elements of the array are negative. So in this case, the array, the result would be minus 1, except when the array was already sorted. If the array was already sorted, then the answer would be 0. So that's it. Now let's have a look at the code. So here I took the input array, and if the final element, the last element is less than the second last element, the answer is minus 1. Else, if the last element is greater than equal to 0, then this is the number of operations that we do, and ये है सारे operations. और else, सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे कि the array is sorted or not. So अगर sorted है तो print 0, और else अगर कहीं भी मिल जाए कि sorted नहीं है array तो return -1. So that's it. That's the solution. Thank you.